Hello everyone, and welcome to another Meta Ads in Claude tutorial. Today we're going to connect the new Meta Ads MCP to Claude, which means we'll be able to control our Meta Ads campaigns directly with Claude. I've been exploring Claude a lot recently, and honestly, AI Prepper helped me understand it way faster. I learned a ton, saved a lot of time, and it genuinely upgraded my workflow. If you want to explore AI tools like this more deeply, AI Prepper is available on both iOS and Android. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance, and let's get started.
So to connect the new Meta Ads MCP, we need to go to Claude, then we need to go to Settings, and once we come here to Settings, we need to go to Connectors. We're not going to choose Browse Connectors, we're going to choose Add Custom Connector. Here we're going to give this a name, so we are going to call it Meta Ads. The name doesn't really matter, and here in Remote MCP Server, URL, we're going to paste this URL. You can also find it in the video description below, mcp.facebook.com/ads. And now we're going to click the add button, and once we click the add button, we can see here that we have the Meta Ads connector available. Now we're going to click connect, and when we click connect, we are going to log in to our Meta Ads account. So now Claude has been connected to the Ads MCP server, and we can actually go back to Claude and see what we can do with this connector. First, click on Configure to see all the actions available in the Meta Ads MCP connector, basically everything Claude can do inside your Meta Ads account. Next, approve all permissions. Otherwise, Claude will ask for confirmation every time it pulls data, edits ads, pauses campaigns, or updates budgets. Now let's use the Meta Ads MCP connector to chat with Claude, pull data, test things, and even create ads directly in the Meta Ads account. So now I'm going to ask Claude if we're connected to the Meta Ads account and have it show the account details. And as you can see, Claude is successfully connected to the Meta Ads account and can instantly pull the account details directly inside the chat. This includes information from the connected account, showing that the Meta Ads MCP connector is working properly, and that Claude can now interact with the account in real time. Now let's ask Claude to give us the ad spend data for the previous inactive ads, along with a complete overview of all the campaigns connected to this Meta Ads account. And as you can see, Claude is able to instantly pull and analyze the account data directly inside the chat. It can show inactive ad spend, campaign names, campaign status, budgets, performance-related details, and other important information from the connected Meta Ads account in real time.
Next, we're going to use this connector to create a complete Meta Ads report directly with Claude. That's going to be in the next video because I'm genuinely excited about this connection and the possibilities it opens up. And if you want to level up with Claude and AI tools, check out AI Prepper. It provides practical courses and content that can save a lot of time in this AI world. So that's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.